Guys, uMacele angazamemeza kangaka ngama-IVF. Uney'ngane uMacele. No one must explain themselves to Macele, guys. Like, I don't even understand why this thing IVF is so huge. Because at the end of the day, Khumalo still doesn't have children. Like, oh, guys, is it a secret now? It's not a secret. Because manje indlela ephuma ngayo, it's like a secret Khumalo, no Musa. Guys, it doesn't matter. Khumalo kodwa kusalayo njengamanje akanazo ingane ne-iPhone. Mara uyamemeza. Imemeza noMacele, guys. I was just like, calm down. There's no need for this. And futhi nakhona ungalo uyebonge noMusaki lo noMusa actually about leyo IVF ukuthi they kept it a secret. But they didn't have to tell you anything. You have children. Yabona into kaMakhumalo ungamina ingane ibhlungu kanjani, guys, and people don't see it and it's painful, the thing. That is why on my other video, actually 2 videos before this one, I had said she must just stay in prayer. uMakhumalo uzovela ithole ingane when she least suspects it. And I thought about it and I was just like, you know what, sometimes uNkulunkulu how he works, chances are akafuni ukuthi abe nengane noMusa. Uyabona ukuthi sengigcina sengiyibeka kahle, because I'm just like speaking, you know, gonna vele at the end of the day indaba ye-IVF into kaMusa kufanele uMacele akhiphele kuMusa. Uyabona leyo nto leyo, but at the same time futhi you can see ukuthi uMacele akasalweli yena yedwa la, ulwela noMakhola because uyamphusha lo Makhola and ukuthi abe kule family and uMacele uMakhumalo akamfuni uMakhola, and she's very vocal about it. She doesn't beat around the bush. She's just like, she doesn't give 2 hoots. She's like, lalela angifuni nokwazi ufika kanjani lola. And into zama-IVF ilwa noMusa ungali noMakhumalo and nakhona naye uMacele as a woman. Can you really, even if uMusa wayitshelile, can you really repeat that story over and over again? Say IVF ngeke mina ngiyenza la nto. And uMacele i-retreat took her to other directions. She didn't expect what happened there. She can't believe her husband. She's just like, umuntu onjalo uyiphiqiphiqile exoku ufika izinto la and ufaka nabo in those things, because every time uMacele uyena first wife wami uyena uyena ngizwa ngayo ngenza, you understand that ukuthi uMusa, cause the way he goes on, uMusa is so childish. Oh my gosh, like I've never, cause ngibona indoda exoka nje in my whole life enamanga also. That is why uMacele was so angry in the trailer esho nje the whole thing yokuthi nje yo le retreat mina inceda kangalutho elifini, even yangenza worse. I'm not even, because she can't believe it. She's just like, what Jani, you know. Idrama kaMacele, even kwakhuluma nesitory sokuthi uMakhumalo actually wanted a surrogate. I'm like, yeah, no, kuningi. But I guess also uMakhumalo ngithi was told vele ukuthi ene vele ama-tubes akhe oyi-2 asekho right. There's no way vele like she can have children on her own, you understand. So the surrogate was gonna come in, which was a good thing, I guess. But at the same time futhi uMakhumalo one said yena ufuna i-adoption. So yabona ukuthi it's confusing. uMakhumalo, guys, noMakhumalo naye sometimes uba dilulu bese zothi yena she did not date a married man. Like, what the H? What the HELL is she talking about? I'm just like, Sissy, please now, can you just come down to earth? Wenzani manje? Come down, please. What are you doing? Please, ishadile la ndoda ojola nayo literally. Yileyo type ojola nendoda eshadile. uMusa uMakhumalo started fighting him mayithola ukuthi emotweni ngafanele ithengwe noMakhwela wayekhona, and also uMakhumalo was fighting uMakhwela ethi ufuna i-DNA yengane and stuff uqhamuka. Hayibo uMakhumalo, she doesn't know ukuthi labantu kade babe busy emasayidini beyi-girlfriend and boyfriend, like how she was naye njengoba manje sikhuluma iy'tori zokuthi mina I wasn't going out with the married man. Sissy, please. Number 4 ngeke futhi 5 masubala masawu no You didn't know? Like, you know all those people, ne? Bakhona, I can't stand it. I'm just like, how do you even get off? There are people like, oh, you know, I didn't know he was married. Kanjani, guys, please. When you don't see anything, it doesn't show. I guess. From this is does it correct? So guys, niyabona i-problem ukuthi kuphi uMusa is the one that's passing on iy'ndaba to ama-wives akhe. We've been repeating that same line for at least now 4 weeks ukuthi uMusa uyena olwisayo. Because how do you go and tell uMakhwela ukuthi uthi uMakhumalo ufuna i-DNA, uthi uMakhumalo wena kwangafanele ukuthi ube khona i-list nemoto because uphiqiphiqi in another level lobo. So retreat sesihambile, basically it didn't help us with anything. We didn't grow. Instead things got worse. Abantu bayinhlanya bahlanyelana, wahlanya uMacele wakhumula nesitimela wayesikwatela ikintanga wasihlala phansi abantu bengena ngesitimela, they led by Mayeni. I was just like, you know what, Andy, I've always said uMusa is the cause. Andy ngiye ngithi futhi uMusa can make it work. He can fix it, you know, like how he did it. Angithi uyena obahlebayo ayeklo and change things around and shift things around. Namanje ngifuna ukuthi angayishifta, but I don't see it happening. Ukuthi they will have an amicable relationship where they are fine, these ladies. No. Kunama groups. And futhi kahle kunama 3 months kathi yeza ngithi laba about 3. uMangwabe, uMakhumalo noMayeni. Kakhulu uMangwabe and Makhumalo are the ones that are like BFFs, and then uyayilengela nje uMayeni on the side really, and then bese kuzoba Macele, she's on her own. Vele uzofaka uMakhwela bazoba ama BFFs. Hey guys, this thing sometimes it just becomes childish. I don't know what you guys think, but I appreciate you guys so much for always watching this channel and supporting me. Ngithanda over.